What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Hallie if you're new, and today I'm going to be doing a different video. As you can see, I have two hobbies really, makeup and plants. I absolutely love plants. I mean, you can see my plants up there, and I have them all on my back wall. And these are two little succulents that I got, and they really need to be repotted. So I'm going to be doing that for you today and showing you how I repot and just giving some small tips and tricks that I have learned. And that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. Comment below if you want to see more plant videos or give a thumbs up. And we're gonna get started. Okay, so it is nighttime and it's winter. Well, it's actually the first day of spring was yesterday, but it's still cold out. So I do all my repotting inside, which might seem weird to you guys, but I have this little table thing that my boyfriend got for me, and I use it for all sorts of stuff. Like, I clean it all the time, and I use it for eating in here when I'm watching a movie or something, and I also use it for repotting. I use it for painting my nails. It's kind of weird because I use it for all of that stuff, but I mean, I clean it, so it doesn't really bother me. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this big black napkin that I have and lay it down on here so it doesn't make too much of a mess on my little table. And I'm going to tilt you guys down so you can see more. So here's my table. And I'm going to show you guys my favorite gloves. These are Atlas nitrile gloves, and you can get them on Amazon. They look like this, and I mean, I have nails and my hobby is planting, and you get dirty, and I don't mind that stuff, but I do like to keep my nails clean. So these are my favorite gloves. They fit really nice, as you can see, and I don't like when gloves are big and baggy and gross and they get all loose, and I don't like that. So these are size small, and I think you can get them for like $5 on Amazon, and you can order like multi-packs and stuff, and they fit really nice. I have two pairs of them. I'm probably gonna get more for this gardening season, and they're just like my most favorite gloves ever. So here is the two plants that I'm gonna be repotting today, and my grandma gave me these. She got them from one of her friends. She took cuttings off of her big plant and gave one for me and my sister, but I'm just going to put them in one pot together because my sister wanted me to do that. So I'm just going to be taking care of it because she likes plants, but she's kind of lost a little bit of interest in them. And it's really cool because, I mean, with plants you can forever get more. Like with spider plants, you can get little babies that come off of them. With succulents, you can pop a leaf off and put it in the sun and mist it every week, once a week, and it'll eventually grow a new plant. And it's just really awesome because it's a forever ending cycle of plants for people, and you can give them as gifts. You can keep them and just fill your house with them, which I will love to do eventually. I mean, I have probably 15 plants in my room, and I love them so much. They just make me happy, and it's like, it takes my mind off things when I can sit down and do some plant work, repot, and it's just really, it's something I love. And I garden in the summertime, and I'm gonna do some garden vlogs for you guys, and it's just gonna be really fun. So here is this old pot that I'm gonna be putting them in. It's kind of dirty, but I mean, it really doesn't matter to me. So I'm going to be using an indoor potting mix by Miracle-Gro. I would use a cactus and succulent mix, but I don't have any, and it's not that necessary. So I'm just going to use this, and I don't really need a shovel or anything. I mean, this is pretty small, and these aren't big, so I'm just going to use my hands really. I'm going to put the mix right in front of me so I can get to it. Actually, I might put it over here. So I'm just going to start by putting a little soil into the pot. So I just kind of grab it, and I'm making sure to not get it on my carpet. But I just put a little bit in to fill up the bottom, and I'll show you guys in a minute. And for when you're doing succulents, you want to make sure that your pot has drainage. Really, any plant needs drainage, but with succulents and cactus, it's really necessary. This one has a built-in saucer, and it has holes underneath this saucer, so it'll all just drain into the saucer, and I can tilt it and dump it out every once in a while if I feel like I need to. So I put about that much soil in. Oopsie, spilled a little. And now I'm gonna take these out of their pots and see what we're working with. And you want to be really gentle with succulents, because if you just touch the leaf so gently, it will pop off, and you'll probably see I'll probably lose a few here and there. If I remember right, these are just cuttings, so I'm not sure really how much roots they have. Yeah, so not much roots on these guys, which is okay. So I'm gonna dump this leftover soil that's in the cup into the pot, just so I can use it. I'm gonna lay that guy right there just for now and get the other one out. It's cute. These are in, my grandma's friend must have put these in little Christmas cups. That one came out pretty well. And you just want to be so gentle to these plants, because I mean, they're already babies and they went through a little bit of trauma already going through the cutting process. And oh, they're already starting to form little roots, so that's really good. So I'm just gonna kind of pick off any dead leaves that I see, because that can be a big cause of like root rot or plant rot, and that's like the #1 cause of plant death for indoor plants. So that one didn't have much to groom off. This one I see does. It has some dead leaves, so I'm gonna take those off really quick. As you can see, just a few little dead leaves that I don't want in the fresh new plant. You just want to be ever so gentle. Oh, this one has like a little baby growing off of it, as you guys can see. Like, this is a little tiny baby right here. So cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix that soil that was with the plants in with this new soil I put in. And I think I'm just gonna tuck these guys in down right next to each other snug, so they kind of help hold each other up, because they're pretty heavy, the leaves. So I'm just gonna take this guy. I think I need a little more soil in the pot, because you don't want your plants sitting too low in the pot, because it just, they don't like it. They like to be up with the sun. And I'm gonna tamp down 2 little holes, like, I shouldn't say holes, little like wells. And then I'm gonna stick these guys in gently. Just set them in together. Right down next to each other. I love the color on these guys, because they have some little, like, it's almost like peach. So there you guys can see they're kind of evenly in there together, and then I'm just gonna backfill in with soil. I'm gonna be really careful not to get like too much on the plant's leaves, because they do not really like that. And if I do get some, I'm just gonna take like a little brush and brush them away. You want to make sure you pack the soil in really tight, so there's no room for air in there or excess water to sit on the roots. And you see, I do make a mess, but that's why I do it on this little counter and lay down the little napkin thing. See, I just lost a leaf, but it's okay, because it'll eventually grow a new baby. you make sure to press it down tight so the plants are nice and secure in there. And pack the soil right around the plant's little root ball that they have so they feel nice and snug in their new home. I just kind of turn it around and brush the soil off the leaves as gently as I can. I'll put a little more soil in for them. And you want the soil to have about a 2-inch gap from like the top. You guys can kind of see through with the light. Like about a 2-inch from like the soil line to the top of the pot. Because you don't want your plants sitting too low in there because it won't turn out well. I think that's looking really cute. They are kind of crooked, but they'll straighten out eventually, and the sun will straighten them out if I turn them once a week, and they'll be super happy, I think. And since this isn't a cactus and succulent mix, I'm going to water sparingly at first because this mix will hold hold moisture really well. And cactus and succulent mix is more sandy and it'll drain quicker. So I'm just gonna not water this as much as I would if it was in a cactus and succulent mix, if that makes any sense. And I think that looks really cute. And I'll kind of try and show you guys. You can see how much soil I have in there. Okay guys, so that was pretty much it. This was a really quick video. If you guys like my plant videos, go ahead and let me know, because I don't know, like, I know I don't have really many, like, viewers yet, but if anybody really likes me or likes my videos out there, let me know which videos you like best. I mean, I really love doing plant stuff. I've never filmed stuff, but I do have a plant Instagram, and it's just something I really love and care about doing. I mean, you guys can see all my plants there. And here's a kind of a close-up of this guy. So if you guys like this, please give me a thumbs up and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. And I'm thankful for you, and you are an amazing person no matter what. Just always remember that. Bye.